Good afternoon. It's great to be with you all today. For those that aren't familiar with NSSF, we are the trade association for the firearm industry across the country and the owners of SHOT Show. I know a lot of you are probably pretty familiar with SHOT Show. It's where a lot of products come out and are introduced each year. It's an exciting time for everyone. So here in Iowa right now, we have over 3,000 people that are employed in the firearm industry. And actually in 2019, largely due to the work that IFC has done here in Iowa, Iowa gained more firearm industry jobs than any other state in the country. So we're on the uptick here and we want to keep that trend going. So, looking back to the 1990s and early 2000s, gun control groups and cities that had mayors that were anti-gun started to decide to try to sue the firearm industry out of existence, to go after Second Amendment rights of folks by suing the firearm industry and getting rid of them. Congress responded in 2005 and passed the Protection of Lawful Commerce and Arms Act, which I'm sure a lot of you have heard of. 34 states passed state-level protections to make sure the firearm industry was protected from frivolous lawsuits. Iowa was not one of those 34 states. Unfortunately, today, the Biden administration, it seems like every day, is calling for the repeal of the Protection of Lawful Commerce and Arms Act, saying that he wants to hold gun manufacturers accountable when their lawful products are used in unlawful ways. Because of that, we're working here in Iowa to pass bills in the House and Senate that would add state-level protections to Iowa law so that the firearm industry here is protected and can continue to grow. To give you an example of what could happen here if we don't pass these laws, all we have to do is look to a recent case out of Canada from a week ago. In Canada, a judge ruled last week that Smith & Wesson could be sued for not adding smart gun technologies to a gun that was stolen by a criminal and then used in a murder. They're trying to hold Smith & Wesson accountable for that. And that would happen here if President Biden was successful in doing away with the PLCA and if we don't have these state-level protections on the books. So I appreciate Senator Schultz for his leadership on the Senate side on this issue and Representative Holt for his leadership on the House side. And I appreciate all of you for being here today. This is huge. This is great. Really appreciate IFC for giving me the opportunity to speak and for all they do here in Iowa. Thank you all.